Ever notice how one of your shorts might suddenly rack up views, then hit a total standstill? You're not alone. The Shorts algorithm isn't a mystery. It's a set of signals and stages designed to serve videos that people want to watch. In fact, the algorithm personalizes content for each viewer, showing shorts to viewers who will likely watch, share, like, and subscribe to your content. Think of it as a matchmaking system. If your short matches a viewer's taste, it gets more reach. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how YouTube decides who sees your shorts, and more importantly, how to make it work for you. Now, unlike classic long videos that rely on subscribers or thumbnails, shorts primarily reach viewers through the Shorts feed. YouTube basically asks, who's most likely to enjoy this 60-second video? It then shows the shorts to those people, and YouTube tracks how viewers interact, how long they watch, whether they swipe away, rewatch it, like, or comment. Now, if a small test audience finds your short engaging, YouTube passes it and shows it to a much larger audience. Think of the rollout in two phases: explore and exploit. In the explore phase, right after you publish, YouTube shows your short to a small targeted group. It's testing them. Are these viewers watching, liking, or commenting? If yes, your short gets a stamp of approval. Then comes the exploit phase. YouTube pushes your short to way more viewers, on the short shelf and subscribers feeds for related videos, even on the main YouTube feed. And that is when views can really explode. I mean, imagine a restaurant launch. If the first few diners love your dish and spread the word, more people will come. If early customers leave disappointed though, the restaurant probably stays quiet. YouTube's algorithm works similarly. I mean, you can actually see this test in YouTube Analytics under Viewed versus Swiped Away. This metric, found in the Shorts Analytics tab, shows the people who saw your short, how many people actually chose to play it versus swipe past. It's like CTR for shorts. A higher percentage is better. Many creators end up finding that about 30 to 50% play rate is normal. So if yours is far lower, then you probably need a stronger hook or a better thumbnail. Now, let's look at the key metrics behind the scenes. As of March 31st, 2025, YouTube counts a view on shorts as soon as the video starts playing or replays. This aligns shorts with TikTok/Reels. I mean, the old definition, watching a few seconds, is now called an engaged view. Engaged views count when someone actually watches most of the short, and these really matter for both monetization and for growth. But don't be fooled by some big view count if it's mostly auto loops. Check the engaged view count to see true interest. Audience retention. This is the classic metric. It shows how much of your short people actually watch on average. And YouTube loves when viewers watch to the end. I mean, high retention signals that your content satisfies the viewer. A sharp drop-off though will slow your short's progress. So be sure to check the retention graph to spot exactly where viewers lose interest. Watch time. This combines views with watch duration. Now, obviously more watch time is good. I mean, it's directly connected to retention. A 60-second video watched fully yields more watch time per view than a 30-second video. YouTube highlights watch time as a key growth metric. Engagement adds extra signals, and if people engage with your short, then YouTube sees it as a sign of quality. And since replays now count, make content that invites rewatching, like a satisfying action that loops smoothly or a quick trick that viewers replay to understand. Each replay is another view. Remember, in the Shorts feed, videos autoplay and thumbnails are hidden. But if your short appears outside the carousel, for example on YouTube's main page, a strong thumbnail and title can attract extra clicks. So, let's talk strategy. How do you keep people watching? First, retention. Hook immediately. I mean, the first 1 to 3 seconds of a short are everything. Start with something intriguing, maybe a surprising visual, a bold claim, or a problem. For instance, did you know you can fold a t-shirt in 2 seconds? And then immediately demonstrate it. If people swipe into your video and within a second they're confused or bored, then they'll scroll on it. As one tip put it, every short should make a clear promise at the beginning and deliver on it by the end. Then, deliver value right away. Skip any fluff or long intros. In a short, you don't have time for extended setups or an early like and subscribe pitch. Jump straight into the content. Structure your short for engagement. Make it loop friendly. If the end transitions smoothly back to the start, then viewers might watch it again. Use an open loop storytelling style. Tease a problem or a payoff at the beginning and then resolve it at the very end. For example, hint at a cool trick or a question without finishing it, and then reveal the answer in the last second. This keeps viewers watching through the whole video. And whenever possible, use as much of the 60-second limit as you can with valuable content. Longer shorts often perform better because there's more time to engage viewers and build watch time. Just be sure that every second is meaningful. No filler. Edit tightly to maintain energy. Snappy cuts, zooms, text overlays. Use the editing tools to keep energy high. Jump cuts can sustain interest. Remember, many viewers watch without sound, so clear visuals and text can grab attention from the first second. Now, let's talk engagement. Instead of yelling a big CTA, use subtle prompts. A quick on-screen text like "guess what happens next" or "drop a comment" can encourage viewers to interact without interrupting the flow. Use some interactive elements if your content and editing allow it. Add polls or captions that encourage interaction. For example, use a poll sticker asking viewers to pick an option mid-short or end with a question caption like "what's your favorite baking trick? Comment below." These small nudges can increase comments and shares. And be sure to stay on trend. Use popular songs, audio clips, or challenge formats. If something's trending on TikTok or Reels, try it on your short. Early adopters of viral audio often catch much more attention. And structure your content to encourage replays as well. Include multiple wow moments or jokes that reward a second watch. For example, a short showing different outfits one after another makes viewers scroll back to see each one. Oh, and don't forget to share your shorts on other platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels to bring outside viewers in. Just be sure to remove any watermarks first. A big advantage of shorts is personalization. YouTube tailors each user's feed to their interests, so finding a niche and sticking to it pays off. If your shorts are all about cooking, then YouTube will show them to cooking fans, and consistency helps build your audience. Experts say content doesn't beat the algorithm, users do. But in practice, that simply means give your target audience what they expect. Don't jump between unrelated topics. It confuses YouTube. Pick a niche and become known for it. A loyal audience that knows your niche will likely swipe on your next short, signaling to YouTube that your content belongs in their feed. Use titles, descriptions, and hashtags to reinforce your niche. Keywords help YouTube understand what your video is all about. For example, adding hashtag cooking or other relevant terms to your titles and descriptions tells YouTube to show it to cooking fans. You can use keyword tools or YouTube search suggestions to find what your audience is searching for. Also, jump on trends in your niche. If you cover tech, make a short about the latest gadget. If it's fitness, try a new exercise challenge. Relevant, timely content gets noticed. In short, stay on trend, be consistent, and give viewers clear reasons to come back. Big creators show these principles in action. Mr. Beast makes snappy, exciting shorts out of stunts and payoffs. Millions of views follow. Zach D Films does absurd comedy hooks like "what if you had Wolverine claws" that grab attention immediately. Both keep a consistent style, they start strong, and they deliver on their promise. The key takeaway: strong openings, relevant hooks, and clear entertainment. In summary, YouTube tests new shorts with a small audience and then expands to more viewers if engagement is high. The key metrics to watch are viewed versus swiped away, audience retention, total watch time, and engagement. Improve retention with immediate hooks and focused content. Use subtle calls to action, interactive elements, and trends to boost engagement. Focus on a clear niche and be consistent. It often takes many shorts before you see a breakthrough, so treat each one as an experiment. And remember, the Shorts algorithm wants to deliver videos that viewers love. If you keep making short, engaging content that your audience enjoys, YouTube will reward you with more reach. Watch your analytics, learn from each short, and keep iterating. With effort and persistence, you can crack the YouTube Shorts code. Happy creating!